I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook account. For that, first of all, open up your Facebook app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you'll see a menu option. Tap on it, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Under Account, you'll see the option of Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Now select Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on the small circle before Delete Account and then tap on Continue to Account Deletion. Again, tap on Continue to Account Deletion. Scroll down and there you'll see the option of Delete Account. Tap on it. To confirm you want to delete your account, you need to enter your password. And when you are done, tap on Continue. To confirm permanent account deletion, tap on Delete Account. This way you can easily delete your Facebook account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.